Hi guys, this is Kirti from Been There Done That, and today I'm going to talk to you about 5 ways in which you can keep yourself motivated and happy. There are times in all of our lives where we're lacking motivation or we're lacking a little bit of positivity, and so I thought that it would be interesting to help you with 5 simple steps that I follow personally in my life on bad days just like you. Number 1, stop complaining and start doing. There are a lot of times when most of us are cribbing or we're complaining or we're constantly caught up in the process of seeing what we do not have as compared to pick up the things that we have and start doing the job. So for example, if I were to make this video today and I kept saying that, oh, I don't have the perfect tripod, or okay, I don't think I have a professional camera, I don't think I would have ever been able to make this video. Instead, I focused on the tripod that I have, even if it is not such a great quality one, and I picked up my phone camera and I figured out how to do this video. So stop complaining and start doing. Focus on things that you have and just start going for it. Try to not look at things being over perfect because you're not going to get there. Just start doing and eventually you will grow, eventually you will have the means, and eventually you will reach there. That was my number 1. Number 2 is being fearless. There are many times again when all of us think about, oh, what will that friend of mine say, or oh, what will my visitor on my Instagram profile think of me, or oh, I don't have the perfect clothes for this video. Instead, just phase out the white noise that is coming into your head and focus on doing what you believe in. Believe in your thought, believe in your goal, believe in your mission, and you're bound to get success no matter what. Stop thinking what people would say, would think, and would do, and instead focus on what you need to do. So be fearless about that. 3, turn your negatives into positives. So turn your weaknesses into your strengths. Basically, if again, I would like to give you an example. If I were to think that, oh, I don't really have a nice voice for being on camera and what would people think, instead, even if I don't have a great voice, if I have a good command over my language, which is my strength, it would equally be fine. So try to turn your weaknesses into strengths. And trust me, sometimes we're just over debating and overthinking ourselves. You never know who you're going to inspire. So that was my point 3. My point 4 is do not be too tough on yourself. Sometimes we're always running in the rat race and we're trying to reach we're trying to overachieve and over expect out of ourselves. So I think we should stop that. Take baby steps. You will grow eventually. Rome wasn't built in one day, and so you're not going to be the biggest blogger or the biggest actor or whatever you're trying to achieve. You have to take baby steps. You have to be happy with those baby steps. Try to inspire yourself by yourself as it is, and then you grow eventually. Always take baby steps and you will reach higher. That was my number 4. And last but not the least is number 5. Be grateful. Always be grateful. There is always going to be someone who is better than you. There is always going to be someone who is worse than you. So if you look at the latter part where you can motivate yourself by saying, oh, there must be someone in the world who does not have a camera, who does not have a tripod, who does not have the means that I have, and is still happy and is still being able to get to where him or her is wanting to be, you can do it too. So be grateful for the means that you have, work with what you have, and you will always reach your final goal, but in baby steps. So these were my 5 easy ways that I try to tell myself on a bad day. I hope it works for you as well. Please share my video. It might help someone who's probably having a bad day. Share your comments on what you think motivates you. Probably it is something that even I would pick up and learn from you. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.